Prompt to App, where we take simple prompts and turn them into real business applications in minutes. After creating a PR and an RFQ app in previous episodes, today we are building a purchase order management app with just one prompt. After codes are finalized, turning them into purchase orders shouldn't be complicated. But when POs are created manually and approvals move through emails or chat, the process slows down fast. It's time to call in Zia, tell it what we need, watch our purchase order app come to life. Here's the prompt that we'll be using. With this, we're building an app that manages the entire purchase order lifecycle, from PO creation and approval cycles to status tracking, within the procurement process at your company. In seconds, the backend comes together. Purchase order creation, supplier management, a KPI dashboard, order tracking, and data analysis to identify procurement trends along with the necessary integrations are all automatically generated. Permission sets for supplier users are configured and workflows to notify suppliers upon approval and other status changes are created as well. Understanding our requirements, Zia has put together a prototype for our application in under a minute. Now let's take a quick little tour of the app. First up, we have purchase orders to maintain all purchase orders and their associated records in a central repository. Next, suppliers, which is a repository of all suppliers onboarded in the system. We have approvals to route purchase orders through rule-based, multi-stage, multi-role approval workflows. We have status to track the purchase order from generation all the way to fulfillment. And finally, you can select the theme you want from the available options to give your app a makeover, just the way you like it. It doesn't stop there though. You can build on your prototype and customize it further. Try Zoho Creator today and tell us what you've built in the comments below.